Okay, here's a just a quick Max tidbit for dealing with media and creating a project that will store both your Max patches and any associated media to make your project portable. So you can take your project, load it on another computer, and you can be sure that Max is going to be able to find all of your files and all of your patches, related code, and things like that. So I'm starting with a blank patch. In this patch, I want to load this JPEG into a JIT.matrix object. JIT.matrix. I'm going to hook that matrix up to a P window so I can see it. JIT.P window. And I'm going to begin that P window a bit. Okay. The JIT.matrix object, you can use an import movie message to load a QuickTime movie or an image. The image I want to load is called lavawoo.jpg. Now at this stage, I don't expect that Max is going to be able to find this image. So if I click lavawoo, you can see in my Max console it's saying can't find lavawoo.jpg. That's because my image is on my desktop and Max doesn't know to look on my desktop for files or anything like that. In the old days, you could store these in what is called the Max file path. And you still do that these days, but this is a way that I'd suggest is probably a better way, especially if you want to share your patches with people. So I'm going to save this as a project. You notice you can save or save as, but you can save as a project. This will take my Max patch and it will build a project around it. I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'll click Save As. I'm just going to save it on my desktop and call it Lava Project. Now when I do that, I get this new window. This is my project window, and there's actually a new little button down the bottom of my patcher that says Show Containing Project. Clicking that brings up your project window, so if you ever lose it, that's how you can bring it back. There's another, so just having a look at this project window, down here there's this Show Project folder. If I click that, it just brings up Finder or your file manager and shows you the directory that is your project. So when I created Lava Project, it creates this folder called Lava Project, and inside I can see I've got lavaproject.maxproj, which is the main project file that you'll use to launch your project. There's also a patches folder, and in here is lavaproject.maxpat, and that is this Max patch. So as you build larger projects, you might have multiple Max patches that are all talking to each other in different ways, and you can sort of consolidate them all into a single project. So let's get some media in here. There are a few ways that we can do this, but what I would suggest is perhaps the best way, I'm doing some air quotes there, but best way is to grab your media and drop it onto your project window. This will allow Max to find it, but it won't yet create a copy in your project folder. So the next step to make a local version of this media is to right click on the media and click Create Project Local Version. When I click that, you can see it's made a media folder, and in there is lavawoo.jpg. So this is ensuring that if I share this Lava project folder with someone, that Max is going to have all of the files that it needs to run this patch. And if I now click Import Movie and bang, you can see it's loaded my image. And if I was to take this Lava project folder and give it to someone, they would be able to load this in Max, and they would be able to work with this patch in the same way, and everything would work as expected. That's bringing media into your Max projects.